Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. I'm trying to knock all these out today. Um, if you haven't already, go watch my other videos. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel while you're here. So today is just gonna be a quick video. I got some new products that I can't wait to try out. I've been trying to get the money together to get my hands on these products because I was so excited to test them out. So the products I have are from Cream of Nature. I have 3 from the honey line and 1 for the regular line. I used to, especially when I first went natural, I used to use their products religiously. Well, not all of them, I'm not gonna lie. But I used their intensive conditioner. Like, that was my go-to deep conditioner, regular conditioner, whatever. Like, I used to buy like the biggest bottle I could find. For my hair loves argan oil. Don't really use it that much, just like avocado oil. It's just like one of them things that kind of like, they're a little bit more expensive to get, so they kind of like went by the wayside for me. But yeah, so the first thing that I got was the Cream of Nature Honey Not Away Leave-In Detangler for dry, dehydrated hair. Pure honey, coconut oil, creamy shea butter, no sulfates and mineral oils. I have this one that I'm excited to try because like my hair does get knotted, especially when it's curly or I pick it out and it's in a puff and it's an afro, whatever. I also have the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Breakage Leave-In Conditioner for dry, damaged hair. And it looks like this, and it comes in a spray bottle. So this is kind of thick, so I don't know like how I'm supposed to spray that, but okay. I want to know the differences. What makes they smell the same. This is probably a little thicker. It's not really moving. I want to see if you guys know the difference between these, like other than the color. They are the same size. They both have honey, coconut oil, and shea butter. This is just for dehydrated hair, and this is just for damaged hair. I'm trying to see if I can see if the ingredients are different. Ooh. First ingredient is water. That's awesome. Don't really see that big of a difference, but if you know what the difference is, just let me know. Maybe it's the preservatives that are different. I'm not entirely sure. And then the last thing I have from that line is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Wilt Twisting Cream. It also has honey, coconut oil, and shea butter. This is really thick. Wait, that's how thick it is. I love a thick. Ooh, and it's cream. Oh. I love that. It feels like it's gonna be very moisturizing. Not wasting product. I feel like this is gonna be very moisturizing. Oh yeah, it's gonna sell all of that moisture. I'm so excited about these. Right. And then the last thing I got, but it's not from the Pure Honey line, it's from the regular argan oil line. As you guys know, I'm not a big fan. Well, not a big fan. I rarely lay my edges. I try to sometimes, but you know, like my edges have a mind of their own. They will do what they want. Unless I keep messing with it every couple of days, you know, it's gonna do what it wants. I got the Cream of Nature with argan oil from Marco Perfect Edges Extra Hold. So I have this. So me and Edge Control never really gets along. I think the only like edge control that I used that I didn't mind, well, that I liked, like really like, was the Curls Blueberry Control Paste. Not because it laid my edges, but for the simple fact that it helped with like flyaways and stuff like that. So if I wanted to do mini twists and I wanted them to look real nice and shiny and smooth and, you know, just awesome with minimum flyaways, I would use that. I don't think I can use this the same way, but we shall see. Like, smells like the shampoo. So we'll see if this works out. Yeah, so let me know if you tried any of these trying to do all this. Any of these products down in the comment section below. If you wanted to try any of these products, and what are your overall thoughts of these products? If you have tried them, if you want to try them, why haven't you tried them? And yeah, I will see you guys in this video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like, you keep watching my videos, so just subscribe and just stop waiting to see. Subscribe, turn on your post notifications, that way you'll be alerted every time that I post, because you know I try to be on the schedule but I end up being irregular. That's just how it is, you know. So also tell me if you guys like really like this style. Like, I've been wearing this for a couple of days. I got a couple compliments about it. I think it's alright, but that's just, you know, when we do something, if it's not 100% perfect, we just think it's alright. But so yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. And also, please thumbs up. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.